Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have a 320i M Sport Saloon finished in mineral grey metallic. The front headlights and fog lights are LED, giving you more visibility and making you more visible to other traffic when visibility may be low. It has 19-inch M double-spoke bicolour alloy wheels and M Sport brakes with blue brake calipers, enhancing the M Sport look and feel. In the rear windows, it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from harmful UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. The wing mirrors can be electrically folded in when locking the car to protect them from passing traffic or pedestrians, and they'll fold back out when unlocking the car. It has a reverse camera, assisting you with parking and reversing as it gives you extra visibility to use as well as your mirrors. It has a top speed of 146 miles per hour and it can get from 0 to 62 in 7.1 seconds. Moving on to the interior, it has the black Vernasca leather with grey contrast stitching upholstery and front heated sport seats, essential for driving in the winter as they're quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this 320i M Sport Saloon, please get in touch via the details provided or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.